Take a ride in the 2015 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-size luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, CD player, fog lights, power windows. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.